It's not every day that the world changes completely. I just so happen to be the catalyst for the greatest change that the entire universe has ever faced. There are plenty of big name Wii Sports hackers who have made a name for themselves, and today I will be among the ranks of Picasso when I tell you that I have done something that I believe, to my knowledge, and has been told to me from numerous people. I have done something that until now has never been publicly told to the masses. I edited the Wii Sports wrist strap screen. In Wii Sports Resort, as well as many other Wii games, you can easily replace the wrist strap screen. But Wii Sports was different. Nowhere was there a Wii strap file. In the entirety of the file system, it was gone. Where was it referencing from? Why was it hidden? All those questions have been answered on a stream of mine, where I took years of study and training and hours upon hours of trial and error to achieve what was once thought improbable, nay, perhaps even impossible. I edited the Wii wrist strap screen in Wii Sports, the original game, and this video will tell you how to do it yourself. Allow me, from a few days ago, from my live stream over at twitch.tv/beta64, follow over there, allow past Andrew to tell you what has changed and how you can make ha-ha funny memes on the wrist strap screen in Wii Sports. Let's start from the beginning. Last time I did Wii Sports hacking, we went on a rampage trying to figure out how to change the wrist strap screen. When you boot up into Wii Sports, you got the wrist strap screen right here. We wanted to change this, and we couldn't find the file freaking anywhere. Other games like Wii Sports Resort or Mario Kart Wii, they keep their file called like strap.arc or something like that. It was not in this game. So I made an assumption that maybe it's in boot.dol. So I replaced the boot.dol from Wii Sports version 1.0, which has a different wrist strap screen, with the Wii version 1.1 Wii Sports. And the wrist strap changed. So we knew for a fact it was in boot.dol. I could not find a single way to extract boot.dol because it's mostly just code for how to execute a game. I managed to find it via hex editor. So here's the boot.dol file. Oh my goodness, that is a lot of nothing that I can read. But if you scroll through, you might notice at some points there's text. So I decided to search for the file strap.arc. Strap.arc is being referenced here, so we know that the name is strap.arc. So I searched more. There's no other reference to it. What in the world? What in the world could that mean? What if I search instead of strap.arc? What if I search strap.r? Okay, there's a reference to it there. What is this? Okay, zoom in, enhance. Is that Yazoo? The compression format for files in the Wii and GameCube era? Let's just take this whole chunk here. It stops being gibberish around this part. Okay, let me just copy, make a new file, paste, save it as, I don't know, .arc. Let's just save that. What happens if I open Brawl Crate and throw that in? Oh, is that every single part of the Wii strap screen right there? There it is. There it is, the strap screen. There is one single problem. The file that we make we can edit it, but the file we make will have to be smaller than the file that was originally in it. So, for instance, this file, and I made a backup of it already, is 129 kilobytes. So as long as the file
is less than 129 kilobytes, we can put whatever we want in it. We can put anything in it. Yeah, smaller or the exact size. I did find out though, there's a really, really good way of like doing it. When you go into the strap file, what we're gonna do is we're gonna extract all of the TPL files. We're going to go through and you'll notice, oh man, that's 134 kilobytes. Ew, that's too big. Check out this cheat. Take the French file, you go in here, you click re-encode. We're gonna encode this in the least quality format imaginable. Just grayscale, whatever. Save it. We've dropped 100 kilobytes right there. Okay, let me just extract. So we have something to edit. I'm pretty sure it's a federal crime, yeah. I'm glad we could all be a part of this together. This is a crowning moment in both Beta 64 and the modding career at large. The world will be different after this. I guarantee it. Let's do it. Let's put all the stuff in the game. Let's make it happen. Okay, so first things first is this one. Replace with edits, and then... Oh, golly!
I was late, sorry.
So, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to put it in a smaller file format that I can still like get color. Because right now it's set to this one. We don't want that. CMPR does way less. Dang, that's a nice compression system. CMPR is such a good compression system. This one's the bong jangles. This one's 210. The bong jangles. I'll just replace all of them. I'll just put them all back in. So here's what we're gonna do, folks. We've got idno.arc. We're gonna go into Wexos. I actually have the entire steps right here to make sure I don't screw it up. So, open Wexos. Extract strap.arc to the desktop. Okay. Then, open Wexos with strap.arc. Go into this and replace every single one. So, first one is example 00F. Is she example 00F? Replaced. Okay. We got it. Here we go. Strap.arc. Save. It has now been saved. Strap.arc has been saved. Wexos toolbox open again. Now open back up idno.arc. Replace strap.arc with that one. Save. Make sure to compress using Yazo. Yes. It has been saved. Make sure it is smaller than the original. The original is 129. The new one is 86. Great. Okay, we're good. So, next is gonna be the difficult part. But we got this. I'm sure there's an easier way to do this, but I didn't figure it out in the time limit I had. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna grab the boot.dol. We're going to have to make the exact same copy that we did before. So we're gonna look for strap.r. There it is. Grab it at Yazo. Scroll down. Okay, here we go. It looks exactly like this. There we go. You gotta keep the AA. It ends, the file from what I've found, I believe it ends at when it goes FF0F FFAA. I believe that's where it ends. So now I have grabbed the entirety of where that Yazo is supposed to be, that strap.arc. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a new file. We are going to grab this. Actually, no, we didn't need to make it. Actually, yeah, I will make a new file. This is the edited idno.arc that has all of our edits. Copy. Pasting it into this other thing. I'm going to add in 1,000 zeros to the end. Gonna add in 1,000 zeros. What I'm trying to do is just pad it without wrecking the original file. I'm just trying to pad it with zeros at the end. I'm sure there's an easier way to do this. Effectively, all I'm trying to do is just pad it. Because the length that we're looking for is exactly 204FF. So let's go back up. Here's our beginning. 204FF. You can see the length right over here. 204FF. That contains everything from the beginning and all the zeros. We are now going to copy that, go to our main.dol that has it in, paste. It will say nothing because it will be the same size. If it wasn't the same size, it would get mad and be like, hey, you're increasing the file size. We save main.dol. We can close everything else.
Did it work first time? A moment of truth.
My heart rate is so high. Yes! 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 Let's freaking go! Oh, yes! Let's freaking go! First time ever in the face of humanity! First time ever! Oh. Beautiful. Get your moment. Get your Twitch moment. Now, I'll be the first to admit that's a little bit complex, a little bit challenging going through and adding zeros and getting random addresses in the boot.dol to find the exact parts that you need to copy and paste. Yeah, it's a little bit confusing, but thankfully, Pizzachamp over here has created strap.arc tools based on my findings to make it simple and easy to the point using strap_extract.exe and strap_inject.exe. So how does this work? I'll show you. First, you're gonna need the main.dol file from Wii Sports. You're gonna need the strap_inject.exe, the strap_extract.exe, all in the same folder. Then boot up your nice fancy pal command prompt. Head on over to the directory and then use strap extract for our first part. And I'm gonna add a little flag called no decompress. So that way it doesn't automatically get rid of the Yazo compression. I don't know, it makes it easier for me if I wanna use Wexo's toolbox. But you know, if you wanted to do it automatically for you, go for it. And then I don't know, man. Just call it I.know.arc. Boom, data extracted. Here it is. And let's go into Wexos. Check it out. There it is. No problem. We got our strap.arc. You can do all the fun things you want to do. It's just a good old time. All right, let's say you're done. You've got your I.know.arc. That has now been edited. And you want to put it back into main.dol. Well, thankfully, we've got a nice little thing called strap inject. And because I've already compressed it in Wexos, I'm gonna put no compress. But if you wanted to do the compression for you, that's totally fine too. It just depends on your taste. Then we type in I.know edited.arc. Bam, injected successfully. And now we have a main.dol file complete with whatever the crap you want to put in it. You have the power. Have fun, do whatever you want to do. Check it out. Link is in the description for the strap.arc tools. And I hope that you just have a freaking ball, okay? And show me what you've done. Send it to my Twitter account @beta64 official or whatever the crap. It's not in Twitter anymore, it's X. Just send it to me via carrier pigeon. Sure. Thanks for watching. Have a good day and happy modding.